Hello everyone! Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And today we're going to be taking a look at some more Pixie haircut ideas, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you are thinking of shaking things up with a Pixie cut, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this first Pixie makeover that we saw. She ended up getting a face framing Pixie with the baby bangs. Absolutely gorgeous. So next up we have an asymmetrical Pixie. This one also features some bangs in the front. It does give off a little bit of a Pixie bob variation. Very chic and stunning style. And then we see more of a classic Pixie here. Undercut going as well. Lots of texture with this. Looks like they're mixing in some color. And you can see that they still do have lots of texture. Beautiful platinum hair change. Wow. And as you guys know, platinum is a very popular hair color for this season. So it looks like this next Pixie is going to be very short and sweet. This one also features a bit of a choppiness to the overall styling as well. And then we have this Mohawk Pixie style with a design going there in the back. I love the color she has. Just a hint of rose mixed with the blonde. Gorgeous. And then we have another long two Pixie transformation. Stylist is adding in some bangs, putting in some color. Ooh, beautiful. Definitely more of a classic Pixie style. And then we see someone with curly, natural hair. And she has decided to switch it up to this all black Pixie cut. This one features a nice design there going on the side through the back. And it also features the asymmetrical shape, longer on one side versus the other. Absolutely gorgeous. So it looks like someone is heading to the salon for a nice little pixie refresh. So she went much shorter, got some bangs added in as well. Beautifully done. And then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. Beautiful classic pixie hairstyle. And then we see another pixie that features the face framing side swept bangs. Love how this makes her cheekbones pop. So gorgeous. And then we see a color change on this next pixie. Followed by this red choppy style pixie with a design going in the back. Such a pretty color. Alright you guys, I'm going to leave you with this last pixie hairstyle. I hope that you did enjoy all of these that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.